Managing revisions can be a challenge for a lot of systems, but not for TopSolid 7. This is because TopSolid 7 is based on product data management. Let's have a sample. Here, we went and found the inferior plate. We're going to go ahead and check this plate in, and then validate the design, thus closing the major revision. From here, we're going to go ahead and create a new draft document. We'll quickly place our views how we want them. And now we'll add a few dimensions. Perfect. Next, we'll go ahead up and document the current version. When we double click on this table, you'll notice that it looks like Excel. I say looks like because it's not really Excel, but it gives you all the power of Excel. So here we're going to enter the date, the author of who created this, and any comments that are relevant to this revision. We'll adjust the size of the cell tables, and we'll exit out of the table. Perfect. And like that, we'll go ahead and check in this draft document. Now we're going to see what happens when we make a design change. The act of creating anything in this document, such as a new sketch, will automatically make TopSolid 7 create a new major and minor revision, and you can see it here in the tree. So here we'll go ahead and add our sketch. We'll create a pocket. Maybe we'll change the through condition to be through. We'll validate. And now we're going to go ahead and check in this change. Now let's go see what happened to the draft document. Here you can see the draft did not automatically update. This is because we don't automatically update to major revisions. You have to tell it to do so. And by a simple right click, we have now just done that. Now let's go ahead and add a dimension for the pocket. And now let's go ahead and update our revision table up in the top corner. Here we'll go ahead and insert a new row. We'll tell it what index we're talking about, what revision, the date of this revision, the author, and then what was done in this revision with a brief comment. And now we're going to go ahead and set a text style on there so it matches the first row. And like that, we're done. Next, we want to make it easy for people to understand where that revision is coming from. So we're going to take that revision, just by selecting it here, choosing a specific style, and then an edge of the model where we want to reference it to. And like that, people that look at this draft document will know that revision A added this pocket. From here we'll check this in, and then the last thing we'll do is we'll look at the history of these draft documents, and we'll look at the differences between the two versions.